Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I wanted to share some outgoing happy mail. I am doing a Valentine's Day swap with Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I will link her channel down below. And we're just doing a Valentine's Day swap. We didn't really have any, set things on what we were doing. I think just like an embellishment box. And so I just want to show you what I'm sending her way. The first thing that I'm sharing is just some of these foam flowers that I had in my stash. Just some pink and white ones. They have like the things on the back so you can twist them. So we have that little Valentine's Day package. And then I'm just sending her this little, it's not really a tag flip, it's just tags that I wanted to share with her. So I didn't really decorate them. I just kind of stuck them on a thing so she could use them for her own projects. So just like a set of tags. And then in this package, these are all handmade Valentine's Day embellishments, just a bunch of different kinds that I've made when I was just working on embellishments. And I just have this little pocket, and inside are some pink tickets. Thought I would share those since I have a whole bunch of those. And you've probably seen these in my Valentine's Day organized video. I had made these Valentine's Day coffee cup embellishments, and there's a few more in there. And so I am just sharing these embellishments with her. Hopefully she can like put them on a card, because I know she makes cards, probably does some scrapbooking. And this is going to be the little Valentine's Day card that I sent her with the package. These are some handmade jar embellishments that I'm going to be sharing. And these are some big rosettes, Valentine's Day themed. I'll be sending her these. And in this little pink bag, and I probably will decorate this before I actually send it off. I just am sharing some candies. And in this little muffin bag, I am sharing some love chipboard pieces and some tags. And in this sleeve, which I just made using 12 by 12 paper, I am sharing these project life cards. There's a lot of hearts and loved ones in this one, so hopefully she will be able to use those. And then also these Heidi Swapp glitter tags. They're like the pink glitter theme, so hopefully those can also be used for her Valentine's Day supplies. And I'll also like seal and decorate this up before it goes in the package. And then this is the embellishment box that I made. And inside we just have some foam hearts. We have some leaves and the little flower pieces that go inside the flowers. Some colored gems. And this is a baggie of all different types of charms. Over here we have some wooden butterflies and some mini flowers. And over here I just shared a bunch of heart stickers and Valentine's Day ones, all different ones that I had in my stash. And in this one is all different kinds of brads, pinks, whites, reds, some bumblebees, jumbo ones, just all different types. And over here we have little gems in a whole bunch of different colors. And then in this one I have some different kinds of big beads, just in like pink, reds, and clear. Some clips in red, pinks, and whites. And then I have a couple of silver heart ones in there as well. I put eyelash trim in the bottom of all of these little boxes. And over here we have a bunch of different types of buttons, heart shapes, all Valentine's Day colors. And over here, I added some different colors of twine, and then a bag of my most favorite little embellishment things. And that goes in there. That's the embellishment box. And then I just made this little like embellishment book. And I've included some gems, some Valentine's Day themed ribbon. Here, this just opens up and there are some stickered hearts in there. And I just have it on with like tacky tape so she could reuse that. And in this little guy, he has some glittered hearts in him. Over here are a bunch of chipboard and ephemera pieces, a couple of like heart die cuts, and then I've included a bag of my Double Click Connect Skittles for embellishments. And so yeah, that's it. Elizabeth, I hope you enjoy this happy mail, and I'm going to be getting this out into the mail. I'm sure if this video is up, you've already received it. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. If anyone else is interested in doing a swap, please leave a comment down below. Thanks so much. Bye.